How to start an aviation career without becoming a pilot. That's what we are going to discuss in today's video. Step 1. Enroll at Harmonics Air Center. We have 3 different programs, Cat A, B1.1, and B2 Aircraft Maintenance. All our programs are carefully structured to not only give you the technical know-how, but also the practical experience that you will need to get a job in the aviation industry. Step 2. Train in Cat A, B1.1, or B2 Aircraft Maintenance Program. Our instructors are all certified by the Civil Aviation Authority of Kenya, and they have many years of experience working with the best airlines in the world. You will learn all the technical aspects of aircraft maintenance from them. But that's not all. Harmonics Air Center has modern facilities and equipment that will give you the edge that you need to succeed in your aircraft maintenance career. We have modern classrooms, well-equipped labs, and a well-stocked library. Plus, we have a 100% hands-on training approach, which means that you will get to work on real aircraft while you are still in school. This will give you the confidence and the skills that you need to get a job in the aviation industry. Step 3. Get certified by the Civil Aviation Authority. Once you complete your training, you will be ready to sit for your exams with the Civil Aviation Authority of Kenya. The good thing about Harmonics Air Center is that we have a 100% pass rate for the CAA exams. This is because our instructors make sure that you fully understand the theory before you sit for the exams. Step 4. Get hired. Now that you are certified by the Civil Aviation Authority of Kenya, you are ready to get a job in the aviation industry. Most airlines, airports, and MROs are always looking for qualified and certified aircraft maintenance engineers. So the chances of getting a job are very high. Now, the best part about all of this is that you don't need to fly to become an aircraft maintenance engineer. You only need brains, skills, and tools. No flying required. Just to add on that, aircraft maintenance is the future. The aviation industry is growing at a rapid pace, and with that, the demand for aircraft maintenance engineers is also growing. If you are interested in a career in aviation, then aircraft maintenance is the way to go. So what are you waiting for? Enroll at Harmonics Air Center today and start your journey towards becoming an aircraft maintenance engineer. Thank you for watching this video. If you're interested in a career in aviation, then this is for you. Make sure to like this video so that you can be notified when we post new videos. Also, make sure to visit our website. Check out our website at harmonicsaircenter.com. This is Harmonics Air Center, training for the skies. Hey guys, hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to become an aircraft maintenance engineer here in Kenya. So without wasting much time, let's get right into it. So the first step is very simple. All you have to do is come and enroll with us here at Harmonics Air Center. We are located at Wilson Airport in Nairobi, Kenya. You can find us on Google Maps. The name is Harmonics Air Center. Our contacts are also on that slide, so feel free to reach out to us through those contacts. Now, what you will be required to do once you come to Harmonics, the first thing is to select your program of study. And like I said, we have 3 programs. The Cat A program, which is an aircraft mechanics program, the B1.1, which is an aircraft electronics program, and the B2, which is an avionics program. So when you come, you will be required to make a choice among these 3 programs depending on your area of interest. In the aircraft mechanic program, we train you to be able to maintain all the mechanical systems of an aircraft, from the landing gear, the engine, the airframe, and basically anything that has to do with the mechanical aspect of an aircraft. Whereas in the B1.1 program, we train you to be able to maintain all the electrical and electronic systems of an aircraft. That means that you will be able to work on the wiring, the electronic components, the computers that are installed on board an aircraft. So that is the B1.1 program. And then the B2 program trains you to be able to maintain the communication, the navigation, and the autopilot systems of an aircraft. So they are all very interesting courses. They are all very, very technical, and they are all very exciting. If you are someone who loves working with tools, if you love solving problems, if you love aircraft, then these programs are meant for you. After selecting the course that you want to do, you will then proceed to sit for an entrance exam. This entrance exam is very simple. It is basically designed to test your basic mathematical ability and your basic English language ability, because the technical training that you are about to undertake requires that you have good problem-solving abilities and also that you have good communication skills. So that is why we do an entrance exam. But don't worry, the entrance exam is not hard at all. After that, you will then be taken through an induction process where you will be told everything about the school, the courses that we offer, and basically all the policies that govern the institution. Then, after that, you are now good to go. You are now ready to start your studies. The duration of the courses is different. The CAT course takes 24 months, that is 2 years. The B1.1 and B2 courses take 18 months, that is 1.5 years. So you will be studying for between 1.5 years to 2 years, depending on the program that you choose. The next step is actually during your studies. While you are still studying, you will be required to go and write an exam called the UAQ. This exam is conducted by the Civil Aviation Authority, and this is done in your second year. So you must be in your second year before you can be able to sit for this exam. What this exam does is that it tests your theoretical knowledge on general aircraft engineering. It is basically a test of your broad knowledge on aircraft engineering. This is what the exam looks like. So there are questions from general aircraft engineering, general aircraft systems, air regulations, air law, and meteorology. The next step is very simple. It is basically a continuation of the previous step. Once you pass the UAC exam, you will then be required to go and write another exam, which is called the CAT exam. This exam is also set by the Civil Aviation Authority. It is also known as the certification exam. It is basically a test of your practical knowledge. That means that you will be tested on the technical knowledge that you acquire throughout your studies. So, for example, if today you are studying about the landing gear of an aircraft, tomorrow you might be tested on the landing gear of an aircraft. So that is what it is. It is basically a test of your practical knowledge. So you will be tested on everything that you learn from the first day of your studies up to the last day of your studies. So what you are required to do is just to pass the UAT and the CAT exams. And after that, you will be certified by the Civil Aviation Authority. And after being certified, what next? You ask. Well, that is the next step. Now that you are certified, that you have been certified by the Civil Aviation Authority, what you will do is look for a job. It is very easy to get a job nowadays. There are many companies that are hiring aircraft maintenance engineers. We have the airlines that are hiring aircraft maintenance engineers, airport authorities are hiring aircraft maintenance engineers, and also MROs are hiring aircraft maintenance engineers. As you probably know, an MRO is a maintenance, repair, and overhaul facility. So they are also known as aircraft maintenance shops. They are basically companies that are specialized in maintaining aircraft. So they maintain both the engine and the airframe of an aircraft. Now you can choose to work with any of these companies. You can choose to work with an airline, you can choose to work with an airport authority, or you can choose to work with an aircraft maintenance shop. It is all up to you. And the best thing about it all is that you don't need to fly. You don't need to be a pilot because most people think that the only way that you can work in the aviation industry is by becoming a pilot. No, that is not true. There are many other ways that you can work in the aviation industry without even getting into the cockpit. Aircraft maintenance engineering is one of them. It is a very lucrative career. It is a career that is full of opportunities. As I mentioned earlier, you can work with the airlines, you can work with the airport authorities, you can work with the MROs. You can also work with the Civil Aviation Authority. There are so many opportunities out there waiting for you. So what are you waiting for? Are you ready to grab this opportunity? Are you ready to be part of the aviation industry without even flying an aircraft? Are you ready to be an aircraft maintenance engineer? If yes, then you should consider joining us here at Harmonics Air Center. Remember, this is the best aircraft maintenance training school here in Kenya. We have state-of-the-art facilities. Our trainers are highly experienced, and our success rate is very high. Many of our students end up getting jobs immediately after they graduate from our school. So what are you waiting for? Come and join us here at Harmonics Air Center and let us help you achieve your dreams of working in the aviation industry. Don't forget to visit our website. Our website is www.harmonicsaircenter.com. You can also reach us through the contacts on that slide. Once again, remember to visit our website. It is www.harmonicsaircenter.com. You can also reach us through the contacts on that slide. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our page. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below and we will get back to you. Once again, see you on the next one.